For today's workout video, I'm doing a core workout using the Hope Miniband. I'm using the resistance in light today, but feel free to use the heavier bands if you have them available. Okay, let's start. To kick it off, have your band, and let's go ahead and place it right around the soles of your feet. Make sure to smooth it out so nothing's pinching, and then once you have that, lie all the way down on your mat. Okay, we're gonna do a quick little warm-up exercise for your abs. So you can go ahead and place your hands behind your head, lift your legs up 90 degrees. We're gonna go into a bicycle position. Inhale, exhale, lift the head up, hold, and switch the legs. Breathe. So getting used to the band, warming up the core. Think about pressing the heels away from your body. Nice job. Okay, to kick off the routine, let's go ahead and take that band, place it around your feet, and smooth it out. So you want it right around the soles of the feet, and then you're gonna go ahead and lie down on the ground. Okay, so for a quick warm-up, set your hands right behind your head and lift those feet up 90 degrees. Take a deep breath, inhale, and go ahead and lift the head up, and we're gonna do slow bicycle legs. We'll press the heel out, and then switch. Switch, good. So think about pulling the belly button to spine. Make sure there's no gap between your lower back and the mat. Good. You want to keep the tension in the band so it doesn't come off your feet. Drive through the heels. Think about pressing the wall away from you. We'll go for 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hug those knees in, drop the head. Good. All right, one more exercise to get warmed up and then we'll kick it off. Take the band right above your knees and your lower thigh area. We're gonna go ahead and set your arms, relax the arms either to the side or under your hips. Legs are 90 degrees, toes pointed, alternate toe tap down on the mat and back up. Inhale, exhale, lift. And with the hands under the hips, it gives your lower back a little bit more support and prevents it from arching. If you get a little bit more warmed, reach those toes a little farther down. Inhale, exhale, back up. Good job. We'll go a few more seconds. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fantastic job. Hug those knees in again. Okay, go ahead and remove that band from the feet. All right, we're gonna kick it off with a roll up. So take the band right around the wrist, lengthen your body the length of your mat. Nice long fingertips, and I'm gonna keep some tension on that band. Feet are flexed. Inhale, pull the shoulders towards the mat. Exhale, think about peeling that spine off the ground and then reach forward, stretch, and then slowly come up, arms to ceiling, one vertebrae at a time, bring it down. Here we go. Inhale, shoulders back, exhale, peel up, and stretch forward. Carefully bring it back. Nice job. Inhale, shoulders back, exhale, peel. Stretch, and up. Nice work. Lift up, stretch forward. You've got it. Lift up, over. I'm gonna get 2 more of these. Inhale, shoulders back, exhale, peel. Press back up, and 1 more. Good. Press forward. Great job. Okay, let's go ahead and take that band right around the ankles, and we're gonna go in a lying down position. Place your hands either to the side or under your hips. Bring the legs up, and we're gonna do 30 seconds leg raises with little pulses. Here we go. We're gonna bring it down, pulse for 3, 2, 1, and then bring it up. Option is to lift the head, but you can always keep it down on the ground and lift. Inhale, lower, pulse 3, 2, 1, raise it back up. Good. If this bothers your back, don't bring the leg as far down. Inhale. Got it. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Hug those knees in. Readjust that band and take it back around the feet. Make sure to smooth it out under the soles of the feet, and we're gonna do bicycle twists with a press against the band, just like that. All right, you ready? In 3, 2, 1, and start. Twist and breathe. Excellent job. Stay there. If you find your back arching, raise the legs a little bit higher. Nice and smooth and controlled. Awesome. We're almost there. Keep it going. Good. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Go ahead and hug those knees in. For this next exercise, go ahead and take the band around the wrist, nice long fingertips. We're gonna go ahead and do a roll back. So I'm gonna have my arms nice and long. Inhale, bring it down. Exhale, lift up, squeeze, and press the band away. Here we go. Inhale, down. Exhale, up, lift, press away. Good. Make a nice C-curve shape on the way down. Sit up nice and tall on the lift. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Your goal is to keep those heels on the ground the whole time. You don't have to go full range if it doesn't feel good. You can take it down halfway to about here if you'd like to, and then bring it up. Last one. And up. Very nice. For this next exercise, I'm going to go ahead and take it on a side lying position, prop up on the elbows. I'm going to go ahead and lift up and crunch, and then bring the hips down, working outer thighs as well as your obliques. Okay, so when you're ready, here we go. Lift up and down. Lift, lower, pressing against the band. Good. Exhale, crunch. You got it. So the legs get a little bonus workout here. Awesome. Lift and lower. Keep it going. You're almost done. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Go ahead and flip sides. Okay, from here, we're gonna lift up, crunch, and then bring it down, lifting that hip off the mat. Okay, you ready? Set and start. Lift up and down, up, lower. Good. You got it. All the way. This one's a lot harder than it looks. Whew. Stay there. Almost done in 3, 2, 1, and go ahead and stop. Great job. For this next exercise, I'm going to go into a plank position, hooking the band between the thumbs. Abs are tight. You're going to be on your hands and knees or hands and toes. Nice tight core. We're going to row up, set the hand down, and then other side. If you're on your knees, you're here. Okay, ready? 30 seconds and start. Think about engaging the core muscles, squeeze the glutes, and when you pull that band, drive those elbows nice and tight to the body. Good, lift. Here's the knee version. Pick which one that's best for you. Up and down. Excellent. You have about 10 seconds left. Pull. Nice and tight, breathe. 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, go ahead onto your tummy. Set the band around your wrists. Looking down, we're gonna exhale, lift up, pulse for 3, and then lower down. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, and start. Lift up, pulse 3, 2, 1, lower down. Exhale up, 3, 2, 1, and down. Good. And lower. You got it. You're almost there. Working that lower back. Up, 3, 2, 1. Great job. And relax. All right, we're on our backs. I'm going to loop the band around the feet again. This time, we're gonna go ahead and have the band with both fingers, or with both hands, and we're gonna row up and crunch, elbows wide, and then bring it down. Let's begin. Crunch up and lower. So you're actually working a little bit of your upper back here, as well as those abs. Keep the legs stabilized. Exhale, lift up and row, and release. Nice job. This is it. You're so strong. You've come this far. Last few moments, all the way for 3, 2, 1, and down. You did it. Nice job. Hug those knees in and rock it out. Finish it out by rocking those knees side to side. And then when you're ready, drop the knees over to one side, reach the opposite direction and hold. Or if you want, you can even open this arm to the side and make a T shape with your upper body. You did an amazing job today. Nice work. Go ahead and switch sides. You can keep the arms the same, or you can have the arms on the opposite direction. Whatever you like. Bring those knees in, give yourself a big hug, roll it up to a seated position. Go ahead and take a seat. Place one hand down, one arm goes overhead. Reach the sides. Good. Inhale and exhale, reach the other way. Center this up, interlock the fingers behind, around the back. Inhale, arms go all the way up and let it down. Great job today. You did amazing as always. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, AllieFitATL, and also follow me on Instagram at AllieFitATL. Okay, see you next time.